So what is it, how is it that we can make this leap? Something happened, and now we have a problem. How do we, what's the science behind that?
Because whatever was causing stress at that moment wasn't taken care of at that moment.
What do you mean, taken care of?
So, like, with her and her brother, like, if they were constantly, comparing each other, and I have to be better, not that it was a conscious thing, but she didn't deal with it then. And so...
Deal with it.
Yeah.
What do you mean, deal with it?
It wasn't managed.
Managed?
She didn't know how to handle her emotions then, at that moment, and in those moments.
Okay.
And she didn't recognize that it was a problem. And so it just continued to carry over until it just kind of exploded. And then all of those feelings and emotions that she kind of bottled up back then became present.
How does that happen?
I was just going to add to that you have to face your problem to heal.
Face it? What do you mean, face it? Thank you, Tori.
So, I think one thing is that because when I was younger, I guess I could explain. So my brother was preemie and we're 11 months apart. So I did everything with him. And when we finally got to a point in high school, he was everything, and he started getting better at everything, and then I wasn't, and I started something new. I started cheering because I grew up dancing my whole life.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I was such a perfectionist because it always came easy for me when I started cheering, and you had to rely on other people to be good, or to be able to make a step hit. You couldn't just rely on yourself. That's what started causing anxiety because perfectionism wasn't happening anymore. I couldn't make it happen, and so it just he took it back. He just asked me questions about my past or whatever, and related it to okay, well being a perfectionist was so much easier then because it came easy for you, but now it's impossible. You can't do it then.
So what's he trying when he's having that conversation with you? Did it fix it?
After a few years, I would have anxiety.
After a few years?
Well, I quit cheer, and then I didn't have it anymore.
So what is he? Because you said several times, Steph, you said you got to manage it, you got to deal with it. How? What do you mean by there's something there? The thing that I'm trying to do, and I'm just trying to get us to think about this at a little deeper level than just accept, oh, he went to war and now he has PTSD. She was abused and now she can't handle, she hates guys. Or I was a perfectionist and now I have anxiety. Do you know what I mean? Because we just accept that as a thing, but it's better to know what's happening and to deal, when you say, Steph, to deal with it, what does that mean? When you're having that conversation with the therapist and you're going back to when you were however old, what is the dealing with it trying to make happen, Ashley?
I was going to say, I think we all set ourselves up with personal expectations of things, and when we don't meet those expectations, regardless of how old or how young we are, we feel failure. And you can build upon that failure and keep telling yourself that because you don't
Okay.
have personal expectations.
So is it possible for one person to have those expectations and to not have a later on failure feeling and another person to have it? Is it possible? So it's not a sure thing.
So you're saying what happened to make it so that I did have it?
I just want to know why something back then would create a problem now. Tori.
There's probably more to it, but the way I've always understood it is so we attach these emotions with these experiences. And sometimes people don't like that emotion, so they ignore it and they just kind of push it to the side and try to keep going instead of experiencing it and
experiencing it.
Allowing that to happen and kind of being in it and then moving on after the experience. So instead, it's like pushed down, but it's still there. So you carry that with you until at a later time, and it could build as you're carrying it with you, but at that later time, eventually you can experience it later, but it could be a lot stronger.
How does that happen?
I was gonna say, you're suppressing all these things into your subconscious, and you're not dealing with them, you're not thinking about them, but, in your workbook, it says 95% of your functioning is from your subconscious, so if you're suppressing all these, things instead of facing them and dealing with them at a conscious level, it's gonna affect your functioning.